Today we are going to share the Skeleton Hiccups, a Halloween story for kids. Once upon a time, there was a skeleton who woke up with a very strange problem. He had the hiccups. And these were no ordinary hiccups. They rattled his bones and echoed through the spooky night. Skeleton tried everything he could think of to get rid of them, but nothing seemed to work. Let's follow Skeleton's adventure and see how he finally finds a cure for his hiccups. Skeleton's spooky problem. Skeleton had been peacefully resting in his grave when suddenly, his bones rattled, and his skull jumped a little. Skeleton was surprised. Skeletons aren't supposed to get hiccups, he thought. He tried holding his breath. He tried drinking a glass of water. Nothing seemed to help. Skeleton's ghostly friend. Skeleton decided to ask his friend Ghost for help. Ghost floated over with a concerned look and said, "Let's try scaring the hiccups out of you." Ghost sneaked up behind Skeleton and let out a big boo. But the only response was another loud hic. Ghost scratched his head and floated around, thinking of a new idea. Trying all the tricks, Skeleton and Ghost tried all sorts of tricks. They tried standing on Skeleton's head, spinning in circles, even hanging upside down from a tree, but each time, nothing seemed to work. Skeleton's bones were starting to get tired from all the shaking. A bone-chilling solution. Finally, Ghost had an idea. "Skeleton, maybe you should just laugh the hiccups away," he said. So, Ghost told the funniest joke he knew. "Why don't skeletons fight each other?" Skeleton shook his head, not knowing the answer. Ghost grinned and said, "Because they don't have the guts." Skeleton started to chuckle, and soon enough, he was laughing so hard that his bones clattered together like a drum roll. And then, just like magic, the hiccups were gone. The end. Ghost and Skeleton celebrated their success by dancing in the moonlight. Skeleton was so relieved that he could finally rest without the hic. It was a Halloween night they would never forget. Do not forget to subscribe our YouTube channel, plus leave us a comment for more.